Some basic life rules most people learn too late. Don't lend money to your family. Give it. Never shake a hand while sitting down. Stop telling people more than they need to know. Never eat the last piece of something you didn't buy. Don't throw your friend under the bus just to impress someone. Never insult the cooking when you're the guest. Don't take out your phone during a conversation. Never take credit for work you didn't do. Listen, nod, and most of all, make eye contact. Don't make fun of your friend in front of his kids. Never eat with a hat on. Never beg for a relationship. Dress well, no matter what the occasion.